So the already whatever features are available, I would like to demo over here. So right now on the device, I have applied the policy which doesn't have kiosk policy enabled. So we'll see here in the My Device section, they say test policy without kiosk. So right side, if we see in the settings screen, there is no kiosk setting. So basically kiosk is not available. Now I'm applying the policy where kiosk policy is enabled. So we see that as soon as the policy gets applied in the settings screen, kiosk settings is appears, and policy is applied and it gets auto enabled, and we see that all the allowed applications is here. And now we are exiting kiosk. So it exists. So going through the policy, so this is the two kiosk mode type, multiple app mode and single app mode. Then here we can allow the application by explicitly mentioning the application ID, and this is the new policy we have added, allow all apps from app catalog, which was enabled earlier. Now we are disabling it. So this is the enable admin bypass for kiosk mode, which gives flexibility to user to exit kiosk mode. And this is the customization, like whether we want to hide navigation bar or some home button we want to hide. All that customization or restrictions can be done here. And launcher customization can also be done through kiosk launcher settings, like whether auto rotation should be allowed or not, screen orientation in landscape mode or portrait mode, app icon size, app name, font size. So different options are there. We also allow users to rearrange their icons based on their need on the launcher. And we also allow admin to give flexibility to change the wallpaper based on their branding need and the information they want to show on the wallpaper. Status bar can be customized, brightness can be changed. So all those policy control is there, logo position where they want it to be up top center, top left, top right, etc. Which system apps they want to allow, so those can be customized over here, like Gmail, dialer, etc. We also have Wi-Fi setting, Bluetooth settings, customization given by MaaS360, and also MaaS360 apps, which MaaS360 apps we can allow, and also the share device capability with this policy, show sign in and sign out option for share device. So we are applying this policy. So policy is published. So we see that earlier we exited via password. So the granular status is shown here, exited via password on the platform side. Even it shows on the device screen also, kiosk is exited by user via password. So now we are enabling. So we see that this Gmail and Chrome we allowed by mentioning explicitly application ID, and the other system apps we allowed. So those are shown over here. So in the, we have also widget feature. We can add the widget for the given application over here inside this launcher. We can also rearrange icon as I said earlier. So And there is a reset icon option which again reset it to the default ordering. And then, as I said, there is a Wi-Fi settings and Bluetooth settings. So this is the Wi-Fi settings provision given by MaaS360 inside Kiosk mode without accessing the settings app of the device. And this is the Bluetooth settings. Then there is the wallpaper settings and brightness settings. So brightness is increased, we see here. And there is this enable app badges, my device. We can see where my device information, like which kiosk version is installed. So update device data, as I said, we did in the last release. So we have added update device data here itself, so that user doesn't have to exit kiosk mode to access this feature. So this is the option to exit kiosk by a user. So we already shown it earlier. So now we will do how admin can exit kiosk by action. So the kiosk mode is enabled. It shows that status. Now you can see exit kiosk option is there. So admin can exit kiosk by clicking on this. So it got exited on the device side if we see. Now suppose if we want to re-enter kiosk by admin action, so we can do that as well. And the granular status is shown here. So admin is triggering the enter kiosk action. So kiosk is enabled now. So this was yeah. So now we are talking. We will talk about the new policy which we have added, like allow all apps from app catalog. So here we see that along with Gmail and Chrome, there are two more apps which we have allowed inside app catalog. So if we want to allow with that new policy, how will we do that? So those apps are installed on the device. So we are enabling that policy, allow all apps from app catalog. So we see on the device side, those other apps deployed inside app catalog became visible inside kiosk mode as well. So these were all about the multi-app kiosk mode. Now we would like to show the single app kiosk mode. So this option we chose in the COSO mode type, and we have mentioned only Chrome app. We can mention only single application over here. So here I have mentioned the Chrome application, and there is a time provision given, like like suppose user deviates from that single application and they went to access the device information or other like say exit kiosk or something, and then we are defining this time after which those single application will be auto launched, so that user will be always on the specific task performing application. So this is the timer we are showing. So we had given 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, that Chrome app will auto launch. We can also launch this app without waiting for 30 seconds by clicking on this app. So yeah, so we see after 30 seconds it got auto launched. So yeah. Now we are again going to the multi-app kiosk mode, and I would like to show the share device capability on in the kiosk mode. So there is a policy control for the same. So we will enable that kiosk, that policy. So here is a show sign in and sign out option for shared device. So we have applied that policy. So we'll see that after the policy application, it will change to multi-app kiosk mode with the app catalog apps allowed. And now there will be sign out option inside the menu. It can sign out by clicking on that. So we are signing out from the existing user. And then we can sign in with the different users. So basically, it will help the device to be used with different user based on their shift timing. Let's say in hospital, like the one user is using the device in the day shift and the same device is being used in the night shift. One user can sign out and the another user can sign in, and there all of the users corresponding information and the policy and the apps will be available inside kiosk mode accordingly. So we see that sign in process is happening here. So we are exiting. So this was all about our latest enhancement done.